My baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt.
So, yun, good morning. I am Bart. And, yun, kakagising ko lang ngayon. It's currently mga 4:30 na siguro. Yun, nagawa na ako ng ibang bagay. Naghilamos na rin ako. Siyempre. At, yun, it's another day. So, it's another day na para pasalamatan natin si God sa panibagong araw sa ating buhay and to live life. And yun, samahan niyo ako na gawing worth it tong araw na to.
Hey, 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 lover, you don't have to be a star. Hey, 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 lover, I love you just the way you are. For love is just the same in a fortune of fame. Just give me true love and understanding. True love and understanding. Hey, 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 lover, you don't have to be a king. Hey, 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 lover, you don't have to have a thing. For I'll be satisfied now as you are my God. Just give me true love and understanding. True love and understanding for the rest of my days. Well, you won't have to worry. Life's a problem in my hands. But if you really, really love me, in my heart you'll be a big man. Hey, lover, won't you treat me right and be with me tonight? Just give me true love and understanding. True love and understanding for the rest of my days. Well, you won't have to worry. Life's a problem in my hands. But if
So, hi again everyone. Yun, kanina pa ako nakarating dito sa school and yun, nakatapos na ng vlog namin. Hindi na nakapag-video kasi ayun, bawal yung phone. And ngayon, ang araw na to, napaka-busy ng schedule kasi yung quiz namin, 3 subjects and ayun, election day mamaya.
Welcome to Mobile
So,
Legends.
yun.
Ako, Moscow himself.
Kakatapos lang ng first subject na ginawa namin is quiz. So, yan, medyo disappointed kasi ako pa yung nag-like ng link ng PPT. Ako pa yung, hindi ko pa nabuksan. So, kayo, basta quiz nyo.
Sama din.
Tanong natin si Wise.
Sama din. Kaso wala lang. Na-disappoint lang din ako sa akin. Sa legend.
Kunyari, hindi ko rin na-review.
Hindi ko din na-review. On the spot ako na-review.
Ikaw ba? Hey! Jared, dito ka! Ikaw, kamusta ka ba? Kayo, kamusta kayo? Sa quiz?
get a feeling it's gonna be a riot.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly print.
Check me out. Check me
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's sword and gun day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. Could be sitting, taking lunch, the news will hit you like a punch. It's only Tuesday.
What time is it?
You never thought we'd go to war after all the things we saw. It's April Fool's Day.
What time is it?
Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late.
Tomorrow is another day. Today is another bomb. Tomorrow is another day. Today is another bomb. Tomorrow is another day. Today is another bomb. Tomorrow is another day. Today is another escalation, devastation, generation, separation, situation, dissipation, shot, another shot, that tender vessel crushing, pop the heart is cold, the gun is hot, shot, I'm not sure if they done or not, I'm not sure that they wanna stop, the gun is cold, the blood is hot, shot, the hearts are weak, the guns are not.
You hear a whistling overhead. Are you alive or are you dead? It's only Thursday.
What time is it?
You feel the shaking of the ground. A million candles burn around. Is it your birthday?
What time is it?
Tomorrow never
Get
comes
some more on the phone.
too late.
Try to reach some more. Get some more on the phone.
Tomorrow never comes
I need to see them more.
too late.
Trying to reach some more.
Think tomorrow's come, I think it's too late.
Another day. Tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is another day. I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly print.
Check me out. Check me out.
At the start.
Seryoso muna tayo ngayon kasi yan yung vlog ko. Puro trippings, di ba? So, kung nakarating kayo sa point ng video na to, so siguro para sa inyo tong message na to, ano. So, yung message ko lang ay, yun, share lang ako ng konting words of wisdom and through my experiences na rin. So, ay gusto ko lang share sa inyo na at sabihin sa inyo na live your life to the fullest talaga and cherish nyo yung mga memories na yan kasama yung mga friends nyo, mga family nyo kasi one day mamiss nyo rin yan And lahat naman tayo may dreams. So, yung dream na yan, tinanim sa atin yan ni God. And, ayun, kung may dreams tayo na tatakot tayo, ganyan, nahirapan tayo, or tatakot tayo mag-fail. So, do it. So, kung gusto nyo yun, gawin nyo lang. Go for it. And, do it na takot kayo. And, matuto tayo lumabas sa ating comfort zone. And, syempre, live our life with excellence. So, yun lang naman ang aking kaganapan tuwing araw. So, yun lang. At good night sa inyo everyone. So, God bless us all and peace out.